without you.
Hello, good morning. It's Ted from the Devil's in the Detail. Just thought I'd give you a quick look at what I've got to do for the next day. And basically it's our site owner, or my landlord, and he does quite a lot of building work, and you've probably seen this van before. I just thought I'd show some of what we've got to do. I've just removed the carpets from here. I'm going to remove the fridge, but as you can see, carries his dogs as well. You know, yeah. We get to the front. Always paint over everything, or tape, or refrigerator. So we've got a bit to do. See how good we can get it over the next day. Right then, let's just have a look at the other side. The outside is the least of the problems. I'm not going to try and film all the work doing it, because obviously I've got plenty of work to do. And look, he's left his mobile phone here. Have to ring the office and tell him it's here. Right then, let's get on with the show, and I'll see you later. Right, it's 24 hours later. I thought I'd show the results. We've got this transit van. Seat covers are going to come off and be washed, but I have lifted them up and cleaned the leather underneath. And we'll have to see how long they can keep it reasonably clean before I see it again. Actually stripped the fridge out and cleaned inside the fridge as well, all the outside of the fridge. All the leather's been cleaned. Looks something like you'd want to drive in now. So until it comes back next time, there's a lot of marks on it that I can't remove, and it's not in really for anything special other than a real deep clean. So I've steamed the whole of the inside of the car, so it should be fairly sanitized, but the bonnet has got lots and lots of embedded flies that just don't want to come off with normal, well, I wouldn't say normal washing routine. I've really have washed this vehicle a number of times, but it needs polishing. So we'll have to see whether we get it to do. But there we have it. What a difference a day makes. And thanks for watching these videos. I appreciate it. And I'll see you all soon.